अस्सलामुअलैकुम बीपीएससी फोरम के यूट्यूब चैनल में खुशामदीद। दोस्तों, अगर आप किसी भी टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए इंतहाई मुफीद रहेगी। इस वीडियो को आखिर तक देखिएगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पहला क्वेश्चन है, द टर्म कंप्यूटर इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम लैटिन। ये लातीनी ज़बान का लफ्ज़ है। हु इज़ द फादर ऑफ कंप्यूटर? चार्ल्स बाबेज। हु इज़ द फादर ऑफ इंटरनेट? Vint Cerf. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as multiprocessor. A light-sensitive device that converts drawing, painted text or other images into digital form is called scanner. WWW stands for World Wide Web. A collection of system programs that controls and coordinates the overall operations of a computer system is called operating system. Which technology is used in compact discs? Laser. 1 gigabyte is equal to या 1 GB is equal to 1024 megabytes. 1 GB या 1 terabyte is equal to 1000 GB. The brain of any computer is CPU. The computer that processes both analog and digital is hybrid computer. CD-ROM stands for compact disk read-only memory. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. VGA stands for Video Graphics Array. MSI stands for Medium Scale Integrated Circuits. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Who is the father of computer science? Alan Turing. A CPU contains a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. The process of interaction between the user and the operations system called user interface. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called passwords. What type of resource is most likely to be a shared common resource in a computer network? Printers. Which device is required for the internet connection? Modem. What is a light pen? Optical input device. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Reader. ECBDIC stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Junk email is also called spam. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the operating system. The amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called line spacing. What is embedded system? The computer which is part of a larger system or machine. Where are data and programs stored when the processor uses them? Main memory. Dash represents raw facts, whereas dash is data made meaningful. Data represents raw facts, whereas information is data made meaningful. What do you call the programs that are used to find out possible faults and their causes? Diagnostic software. Which programming language are classified as low-level languages? Assembly languages. What does DMA stands for? Direct memory access. What are storage devices? Tape, hard disk, floppy disk. What is first generation of computer? UNIVAC. IBM 1401 is second generation computer. Chief component of first generation computer was vacuum tubes and valves. Second generation computer were developed during 1956 to 1965. The output quality of a printer is measured by dot per inch या जिसको DPI भी कहते हैं. In analog computer, input is never converted to digital form. Who designed the first electronics computer? ENIAC. J. Presper, Eckert and John W. Mauchly. Who invented the high-level language C? Dennis M. Ritchie. An error in software or hardware is called a bug. What is the alternative computer jargon for it? Glitch. Modern computers are very reliable, but they are not infallible or without fault or weakness. Personal computers use a number of chips mounted on a main circuit board. What is the common name for such boards? It is called motherboard. What is meant by a dedicated computer which is assigned one and only one task? DOS stands for Disk Operating System. Who is the current CEO of Microsoft? Satya Nadella is from India. What are input devices? Keyboard, mouse, card reader. What are output devices? Screen, printer and speaker. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. BIOS stands for Basic Input-Output System. The instructions that tell a computer how to carry out the processing tasks are referred to as computer programs. An area of a computer that temporarily holds data waiting to be processed is called memory. The key used to close a selected drop-down list or cancel a command or close a dialog box is called ESC or escape. Dash is the key we use to run the selected command, enter. Dash is the functional key to display save as box. F12 is the functional key to display a save as box. Data becomes dash when it is presented in a format that people can understand and use. Information. Data becomes information when it is presented in a format that people can understand and use. The primary function of the dash is to set up the hardware and load and start an operating system, BIOS, या Basic Input-Output System. What kind of memory is both static and non-volatile, ROM? ALU and control unit, jointly known as CPU या Central Processing Unit. The science that attempts to produce machines that display the same type of intelligence that humans do is called artificial intelligence या AI. Computers manipulate data in many ways and this manipulation is called processing. Dash are used to identify a user who returns to a website. Cookies. Cookies are used to identify a user who returns to a website again. Reusable optical storage will typically have the acronym of RW or rewrite. इसको rewrite भी कहते हैं. Which shortcut key is used to bring up the find and replace dialog box in MS Word? Ctrl+H. दोस्तों ये थी कंप्यूटर की कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन की वीडियो. अगर आप शॉर्टकट्स के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें क्योंकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंप्यूटर के शॉर्टकट्स या जो बटन कॉम्बिनेशंस होती है जिस तरह Ctrl+H लिखा हुआ है ये कंप्यूटर की जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन है या जितनी भी शॉर्टकट्स है वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगा. तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिए और अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो इसको लाइक ज़रूर